Magnidesk is dedicated to children's cognitive development, offering endless possibilities. One set of materials, 1,000 ways to play. The materials are divided into 3 progressive levels: beginner, intermediate, advanced level. Each stage corresponds to different material and levels. Green is beginner level, orange is intermediate level, blue is advanced level. Each set of materials contains 8 boxes. 4 A boxes and 1 each of B, C, D, and E boxes. The box number is located on the bottom right corner of the box. Inside the A boxes, you'll find game cards, structural material base plates, and long, medium, and short rods. Boxes B, C, D, and E contain auxiliary materials. At the bottom of each box, there's a corresponding storage card. The storage card displays the type and quantity of materials within that box. Each set also comes with a teacher's guidance. Next, let's take a look at the specific auxiliary materials. First is auxiliary materials for toddler class beginner level. B box graphic sliders, white carrot, orange carrot. C box colored gears, colored frames. D box green small trees, orange small trees, orange, gray circular chips. Colored dice, number 1 to 3 dice, number 1 to 5 sliders. E box orange and gray square character pawn. And that is the auxiliary material for middle class intermediate level. Box B orange and gray squares, character pawns. Box C green large and small trees, and orange large and small trees. Box D colored frames and number 1 to 9 sliders. Box E large haystacks, orange and gray circular chips, colored dice. Number 1 to 3 dice, number 1 to 6 dice, and red carrots. The last is auxiliary materials for senior class advanced level. Box B orange and gray squares. Box C number 1 to 9 sliders, arrow sliders. Colored frames, number 1 to 3 dice, number 1 to 6 dice, and addition, subtraction sliders. Box D light and dark spheres, large green trees, and large orange trees. Box E small haystacks, purple radishes, character pawns, and orange, gray, circular chips.